Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mac computer, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you reduce an image size to a photo on your Mac for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to reduce an image size on your Mac for free anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business submitting photos or images to various websites, you know that sometimes they require it to be under a certain file size. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here directly in your Mac. This is not something you need to pay for. It's a free app that's already on your Mac computer. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already pulled up an image here on my Mac. You can see right here. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is the image. And if we look to the right, we can see this image is 2.2 megabytes. So again, there's a few different ways you can do this. The easiest way you can do this is right click on the image and then click on Quick Actions and then click on Convert Image. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose the image format. So this one happens to be an HEIF, but you can change it to PNG, JPG. That really depends on who you are submitting this photo to. For this video, I'll go ahead and change it to a JPEG. And then you can see the next line, image size. So by default, it's actual size. So you want to go ahead and open that up. Now, generally, I'm not going to drop it down to small just because a lot of times the quality is going to be degraded where you can't really even see the image. So if you want to decrease the image size, you might want to start with large and then click on convert. Okay, so here is our new image, and let me highlight the original right here. And if we scroll over to the right, you can see it used to be 2.2 megabytes. Now it's only 371 kilobytes. So it's about 7 times smaller, and that's on the large. So let me go ahead and open that up and show you what it looks like. So here on the right is the original, and then here on the left is the compressed version of it. So it's almost identical. But if you still need it to be smaller, you can go ahead and try the medium or even the small. Another way that you can go ahead and resize an image on your Mac for free is once you've opened the image, you're going to be in preview and then click on the image. Here on the top right, you're going to see the options. Click on tools. Once you click on tools, click on adjust size. Okay, so now we can see this image as far as pixels goes. It goes 3000 by 4000. So what you can do is you can go ahead and click here and then choose the next smallest size. So again, this is 3000 by 4000. Let's drop it down to 1920 by 1920, and then it's going to calculate. So if we make this change, it's going to drop it down to 924 kilobytes. So it's going to decrease the size by basically 50%. And then let me click on OK. Okay, now you can see that the image size has decreased quite a bit. So because it's shrinking it and it's compressing it, you're going to lose some of the image quality, which is natural anytime you are reducing the image size. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to reduce an image size on your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.